What are the risks of installing third-party apps on my Panasonic Smart TV?
Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to delve into a topic that many Panasonic Smart TV owners wonder about: the risks associated with installing third-party applications on your device. Understanding these risks will help you make informed decisions about the apps you choose to install. Let's get started.
What are third-party apps?
To begin, let's clarify what we mean by third-party apps. These are applications that are developed by providers who are not the device's original manufacturer. For a Panasonic Smart TV, anything that isn't from Panasonic itself or from the official App Store is considered a third-party app. While some of these apps can provide added functionality and entertainment, they also come with potential risks.
What are the risks?
The primary risks associated with installing third-party apps include: 1. Security. Third-party apps may not have the same level of security as those from the official store. This could potentially expose your device to malware or spyware, compromising your TV and possibly even other devices connected to your network. 2. Privacy. These apps may also pose a privacy risk. They could collect and share your data without your consent. This data could include your viewing habits, personal information, or network information. 3. System stability. Third-party apps may not be as reliable or stable as official ones. They might cause crashes, slow down your TV, or make it behave unpredictably. 4. Warranty voidance. Finally, installing third-party apps can potentially void your TV's warranty. Panasonic may not cover damages or issues caused by these apps.
How can I protect myself?
While the risks are considerable, there are steps you can take to minimize your exposure. 1. Research. Before installing an app, research its developer and check for reviews or complaints online. Avoid apps with negative reviews or reports of security issues. 2. Permissions. Pay close attention to the permissions and app requests. If an app is asking for more access than it should need, it's best to avoid it. 3. Keep software up to date. Ensure your TV's software is always up to date. Updates often include security patches that can protect your device from threats. In conclusion, while third-party apps can offer additional features, they come with significant risks that can impact the security, privacy, and stability of your Panasonic Smart TV. Always remember to research any third-party apps and review their permissions before installation. Stay safe and make the most out of your smart TV experience. We hope this video has been informative and helpful. Thank you for watching.